ready to unlock your artistic potential with the power of AI. Let's get you signed up for Midjourney and creating amazing art in minutes. First, you'll need a Discord account. If you don't already have one, head over to Discord.com and sign up. It's free and easy. Once you have your Discord account, navigate to Midjourney.com in your web browser. On the Midjourney homepage, look for the Join the Beta button, typically located front and center. Give it a click. Clicking Join the Beta will redirect you to a Discord authorization page. This is where you grant Midjourney access to your Discord account. Don't worry, it's a standard process. Click Authorize to proceed. You'll now be inside the Midjourney Discord server. Look on the left-hand side for channels labeled Newbie followed by a number. These are the public channels where you can start generating images. Select one of the newbie channels before you can start creating. You'll need to subscribe to a Midjourney plan. Type subscribe into the message bar and hit enter. Midjourney will generate a link that will direct you to their website to choose a subscription that fits your needs. Pick a plan, enter your payment information, and confirm your subscription. And that's it. You're now ready to unleash your creativity. Use the Imagine command followed by your prompt in one of the newbie channels to generate stunning AI art. Happy creating.